Today I'll be going over a couple of positions that you need to be comfortable doing before you try dips. My name is Emily and this channel is called Wheel Your Own Way. I post new videos 3 times a week, so make sure that you subscribe below so that you can stay updated on all my new content. First is a lunge. Make sure that you do it with both legs. Next, you want to make sure that you get comfortable keeping your weight on one leg and moving your heel and toe alternating on the opposite leg. Toe, heel, toe, heel. When you're in that lunge and you come back up, you're going to roll onto your heel before you alternate to that other leg. When you're doing these lunges, all of your weight needs to be on your supporting leg. So don't put your weight on your back foot. Keep all your weight on that front leg. You should be able to lift the back leg. Now practice looking directly behind you 180 degrees. Look over the shoulder that matches up with the leg that you're moving back. Now, instead of just moving your leg straight back, curve it in a half circle so that you go about 3/4 of the way around. Now add your head, and remember, now that our foot is going a little bit further, we have to make sure our head turns a little bit more than 180 degrees. Now you want to practice putting your toes up as you pick up that leg. So, go back about 3/4 of the way, and now pick up the foot, toes are up, and you rock over onto that opposite leg. And as you're rocking over, drag the other foot back, use your head. As you pick up that left foot, put your toe up, and rock over. The last thing is your arms. Practice moving your arms as you would when you have your skates on. In order to help the momentum of getting that leg to roll back, I like to use the same arm as the leg that's moving backwards. And use this motion. So putting it all together with the arms, with the head, with the foot going about 3/4 of the way around, and with putting your toe up and just putting your heel down first and rocking onto that opposite leg. All together, here's what it looks like. No skates. The next step is to do it with skates. So go ahead and click right here so that you can try it with me.